Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to add your hometown on your Facebook dating profile. Maybe you want to date someone who is near from you, so you want to add your hometown in your Facebook dating profile. So today, I am going to show you on how you can add your hometown in your Facebook dating profile. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. Once you are in this Facebook homepage, simply tap on this heart icon to go to your Facebook dating. And then in here, simply tap on this profile button. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into your Facebook dating profile. In here, you have to scroll down and you'll see in here your add hometown. Beside it, there will be a drop down button. Simply tap on it. And then in here, you simply need to search your hometown. For example, I'll be tapping on this Pili Camarines Sur. Once you tap on it, take note that this will be visible on your dating profile. Simply tap on the save button at the upper right corner of your screen. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add your hometown on your Facebook dating profile, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add your hometown in your Facebook dating profile, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.